2019.
Rhode.com.
Want you some?
Please join me in American Humane supporting our heroic working dogs and all the amazing animals on this planet we inhabit together. Go to AmericanHumane.org to learn more.
Shut up, here it comes.
Here it comes.
Here it comes.
Giving you just what you want. 92 Pro FM.
Who's gonna play that game?
94 HJY, it's Doug and Scarpetti. Saved by the Bell reboot. Yeah. Yeah. Talk about reboots with you. But there's going to be Mario Lopez and Elizabeth Burton. Yes, I saw the trailer today. It's online this morning. And man, Lopez looks like he hasn't aged a day. But the whole thing, it's just too different for me. That's my issue. They're making me, is it about school or is it about them as adults? I don't understand what's going on. It's a mixture of Mario and Jesse being school teachers at Bayside High and also following a bunch of new students there. But
Are they still together?
It's shot not like a traditional in-studio show, like a sitcom. I don't like that, you know?
What is it shot?
It's like more like it's almost like a movie, you know? Or a drama.
Okay.
It's too different for me. The Punky Brewster one is shot like this too, and it just looks so completely different and odd. I'm not really digging it. I don't know.
Yeah, listen, I didn't really enjoy the originals because I was a little old for them, but I'm familiar with them.
That was right in my wheelhouse. Kelly Kapowski, which I'm hoping she makes a little comeback because that probably one of my earliest crushes as a kid.
Kapow! Yeah, she was great. She was on a show on USA for a while as the wife of one of the main characters. I forget what it was